Business reporter Alexis Christoforous joins me now to break that down. Alexis, what does this mean for the average American to have this deal now headed to the president's desk?
It's a huge relief because now Americans don't need to worry about a disruption in some payments. Remember, we had been talking for weeks about the fact that Social Security beneficiaries, federal employees, veterans might see disruption to their payments. That's not going to happen. It also keeps the stock market from a steep sell-off there. There were jitters that if the government were to run out of money, that our interest rates would go sky high. That's not going to happen now. So this is really just a moment of breathing a sigh of relief, the fact that we were able to come to an agreement. Of course, we'll be having this discussion again in about a year or so when we hit the debt ceiling again, but at least for now, those payments are secure for Americans.
So let's talk about the jobs report. The U.S. added 339,000 jobs last month. That's well above analyst expectations. The president's calling it a good day for the American economy, and he's saying that this is more jobs in 28 months than any president has created in a 4-year term. Now, is that because we're coming out of the pandemic, or is there more to that?
Right, exactly. I mean, these were extraordinary times, so it's hard to, it's not comparing apples to apples. I mean, he's looking at an economy that had to bounce back from, a once-in-a-century event, which was the pandemic. So, yes, on a pure numbers basis, that is the most jobs added in that amount of time for any president. We are now at pre-pandemic levels in most industries in this economy, and we have a very tight labor market, despite the Fed's best efforts to try to cool things down. We've got the higher interest rates and high inflation. Next week, or actually in 2 weeks from now, we're going to get another report on inflation. And if that comes in hot, today with the strong jobs report, it could give the Fed enough reason to move again and raise interest rates for the 11th straight time. That meeting is going to happen on June 14th. We're going to follow it for you.
All right, Alexis, great to have you. Thank you.
Sure.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.